Here we've got a, I'm going to call it a 2002 Bluebird International 3800 from Greenup County Schools, Kentucky. It's bus number 48. It's got an IC mirror, which you see often on Kentucky buses, whether they're ICs or not. Here's a porta potty. But here we've got the back of the bus. Like coming around here, you can see blue seats, blue interior, side emergency exit door. No streamer. Don't know what that means. It says Millennium Edition, Bluebird Millennium Edition. So I don't know if that has something to do with the model year of it, but never seen that on a bus before. But yeah, that'll be it. So thanks for watching.